You gotta admit, this was a well-orchestrated goal by Orlando Pirates, and the Pirates baninako kushama goals that are so fine like this season. Angazi man. So let's just break down the whole move. Let me roll it back in chains from moment to moment what happened. So the movement started with Tito Maswangai understanding that there's a space, there's a Viking there, or Hamba Orlando Ebola from the back, and or progressor Ebola forward. That's where it all started. The second phase is pass the ball to Van Rooyen wide to shift the momentum of the defense of Marumo, and then moved forward to the box where end product is. That is evidence Mahopam. As a mobile striker moves and drags out to be out of position from that centre back in order for Tito to run in that space to receive that pass, and Tito is intellectual understanding that there's a space there created by Mahopa that he needs to run into, and then the late pass by Unkota to Tito, good. Last player is Lamine understanding that Mahopa has moved. I need to occupy that space as a centre forward. And what a goal, man. Umzomnyama uyavunga Orlando. Hayi, bafana bakithi. Awubheke la run kaTito. Bheka la run continuous the weight of the pass, the decision making, all the players, man. That cutback, that lay off by Shenko. Yazi akabulala ukeeper. Uyayipassing it, and the boy went to the corner and celebrated. That was a well orchestrated goal by abafana umzomnyama. And kusele kancane kuphunyelwe bafana bakithi. Ayiseyinto indlela bafana.